Vivo is making the T3x official for the Indian market on April 17 at 12 p.m. local time. Through a microsite on Flipkart, we've already found out that it will be priced under 15,000 Indian rupees. The phone appears in two color options, green and red. The phone could sport a 6.72-inch 120Hz Full HD Plus display. The Vivo T3x 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 SoC. It is said to offer 128 GB of onboard storage and 4 GB, 6 GB, and 8 GB RAM options. The T3x managed a 946 single-core score and a 2,839 multi-core score. The phone runs Android 14, with Vivo's Funtouch OS 14 on top. A 50-megapixel primary rear sensor alongside a 2-megapixel depth shooter and an 8-megapixel selfie camera. Vivo T3x 5G also pack a 6,000 mAh battery with support for 44W wired flash charging. The handset is expected to come with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and an IP64 rating for dust and splash resistance. It is likely to measure 7.99 mm in thickness and weigh 199 g. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.